ones that you can do. So sometimes I get up here and go, well, what kind of birds I'm going to do? So maybe you guys can help me out tonight. I might not be able to do all the birds that you request because I only do about 150. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to take requests. You know? So I don't just like throw your hand up. All right, here's a go.
Red tail hawk.
Red tail hawk. Okay, here we go. Let's see, I was sick a couple weeks ago, so let's see if the squeaker can get squeaking here. Red tail hawk. Raven.